Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got something to show you. I got this box, about a week ago, from New Zealand. This is a package with something heavy duty inside. This is Culley's world's hottest Ramen Noodles version 2.0. And I did version 1.0, and that was rough. And by rough, I mean freaking rough. So to make these, you need it says around a cup of water. This is exactly 1 cup of water. Let me look again. It should be exactly to the line as I left it. Yes, 1 cup. So I'm pouring it in the pot, getting it to a boil. I'm honestly gonna say I have not been looking forward to doing this, and this is gonna be hardcore, folks. You might have heard of the Bulldog range of products from Samyang Foods. People love those things, and they are spicy. This makes that stuff, like, at least the 1.0 version certainly made it taste like sugar water. Yeah. The last time I did this, I was on the floor, clutching my gut, drinking water, not water, but I had these fizzy water drinks, and it was hot at first, but it really ended up being like all over tingling, kind of almost going into shock. Yeah, not super groovy, but I can't back away from a challenge, and this is it. And I want to thank Mr. Culley over in New Zealand for sending these over. I believe I may be one of the very first people to try this. So that's pretty neat. The instructions are interesting. So you take a bowl, and I'm using this today, and you'll see why. Here's the noodle block. So the reason I'm using this today is because you have to microwave it, and you have to add boiling water to it, and then you microwave it. And that sounds kind of, I want to make sure that it doesn't explode everywhere, because I'm not the only one who uses this microwave, and honestly, I think the steaminess of this is going to be really intense. I'm hoping I don't catch hell from my family. But yeah, steaming noodles. Now, what kind of peppers are in this? Carolina Reaper and Jolokia, the ghost pepper. Yeah. So there's a contest, too, to see who can eat it the fastest. My plan is to scarf this down at, like, warp speed. And then I'll do the afterburn. You can watch me, like, So. But, the contest is, do you think you can take on the world's hottest ramen? I do. The fastest person to finish a bowl of the Culley's world's hottest ramen will receive the ultimate bragging rights with your mates, plus some cool prizes. We have loads of spot prizes up for grabs for people who participate, not just the ultimate winner. All you need to do to win is post a video of you finishing the ramen. The fastest person is the winner. Are you up for the challenge? A few rules to follow. You have to finish the full bowl of ramen as per cooking instructions, noodles and soup. Soup and noodles needs to be consumed in conjunction, not separated into different bowls. Empty bowl above your head when finished. So when you're done, you take this thing and just set it on your head. And tag an official Culley's account, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. The judge's decision is final. So here's the noodles. The water's boiling. Let's take that off. What's this next? So now we pour this, and I don't have any rubber gloves, and for that I am bummed. I really don't want it. I have a tendency to rub my eyes. Okay. I want to make sure also, I've got small children. I don't want them to touch any of this stuff. So let's just do this here. Okay, so what we do, let's get down and into this. Now I'm just going to upend it. So this is a pepper mash. Oh boy, that's going to go in my belly. I will say, the last one I had, the flavor really wasn't bad at all. If you took the heat away, the flavor was, you know, moderately delightful. And yeah, but when you add the heat to it, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, and the flavor doesn't last for very long because the heat really, it does it. Usually I don't show doing the cooking process as detailed, like boiling water. Okay, then we dump this in. Oh my. Oh my, yeah, I know that smell. See, I used to review hot sauces, and this definitely, oh god, I am screwed. I'll do it. I'll do it. And here's the vegetable. Okay, and now I'm going to move that. I'm going to take, I don't like any of this stuff on my fingers. There will be copious finger washing going on. And now it says you microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. And I will do so. Here, let's point at the microwave. I'm going to do it for 1.5 minutes. It says to do it for 1 to 2 minutes or until noodles are soft. This is boiling water already, so I want to keep a close eye on it. I also am going to go with 1,000 watts. So let's see. Let's go for 1.5 minutes. Power level 70. And here we go. Yeah, I got to keep an eye on this because I don't want it to like bust over and forever have this microwave be so hot, you know. Okay. 30 seconds in almost. So once this is done, I'll show you my prep because I've got a prep for this. Oh, bejesus. Eee. Okay, it's not boiling over or anything. It is doing things. Smell it. Oh my god. Oh, bejeebus. Oh, man. And we're almost there. We're not boiling over. That's really groovy. And we are done. And I want to stand back from that steam because I know it's going to be hell going in my mouth, but going in my nose, that sounds like pure violence right there. All right, so let's see how we did. Now let's make sure these noodles are soft and give them a stir. Yeah, they're not super duper soft yet. I may just have to give them an extra 30 seconds. It smells hella spicy. I'm gonna say that. So let's push them down a little. Yeah, I'll give them, it said 1 to 2 minutes. I think maybe another, I think we'll do the full 2 minutes. All right. Now, I don't know if you can actually purchase this anywhere yet. So, as of this, it's January 2024. It's the 4th. This is the first thing, this is the first noodle I'm actually reviewing or even tasting this year. So, that's pretty vicious. Starting it off with a, holy cow. That's not bad. Okay. And now what we do is we're gonna take this, and I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Let's center that a little better there for you. Okay. And then it says garnish with this, which is the togarashi. So it's spicy. And that, my friend, is that. It's done. I'm pretty happy. I don't know. My nose has been kind of funky lately, so I don't know. It seems like I should be smelling this a little more, but I'm not. So maybe it's not causing the microwave to be a den of spiciness and boiling hot steam. But you never know. So let's let it rotate out for a minute. I'm gonna get my preparation out. All right, so now that I've done that, I don't know, should I do that for the mukbang? I guess I should. I guess I should do the prep for it with the mukbang. So if you're seeing this, most likely you'll be able to see the mukbang. It should be going on. I'm going to be eating this pretty darn quick. And check www.theramenraider.com and just do a search in there for Culley's, Culley''S. This is the stuff right there. World's hottest ramen noodles. It's got Carolina Reaper and ghost pepper. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Pray for me. Have a good one. Bye-bye.